The conditions were fierce as France's Thomas Traversa won mission number 2 in Tasmania in the race to be Red Bull's Storm Chase champion on Sunday. 6 athletes competed in mission number 2, with only 4 places up for grabs in the final, which will take place at the end of the year. Traversa had also won mission number 1, which took place in Ireland in January, and the Frenchman made it 2 wins from 2 in Tasmania. The windsurfers had to contend with waves of around 9 meters in storm force winds. Joining Traversa in the third and final mission will be German pair Danny Bruch and Leon Jamer, along with Brazilian Marcílio Browne. There are 7 nominated locations for the third mission, one of which will be chosen when suitable storm conditions hit. The crew and athletes will have to be ready within 48 hours' notice, and the winner of the third mission will be crowned Red Bull's Storm Chase champion.